We are going to just do some volume practice today. So I am going to go over a couple questions with you. You guys are free to ask questions if you have any questions, and then I will assign the worksheet. So again, today it's just going over volume, just giving you some extra practice for volume. So can everyone still see my screen with the volume questions?
No.
No? Okay, let me... Okay, can everyone see the screen with the volume questions now? See some people typing yes. Can you see these questions? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, perfect. Okay. So we're going to look at some volume of rectangular prisms. So you guys are still going to do it on Go Formative. And again, I'm going to go over the first 3 with you, and then you guys will go on and do the rest on your own. So I will have to go in and assign it, and I'll still have you write down your answers for A, B, and C, and then put them in when you are doing the assignment. But you already have the answer. So you might want to grab a paper and pencil to write those down. Okay, but remember, with volume, you are just multiplying together the length, the width, and the height. So for number 1, we don't have our length, width, or our height, so we have to count the boxes to figure out what those units are. So will someone count and give me either the length, the width, or the height for one of them? So our length, our width, and our height. So a couple people are saying 3. Is 3 our length, our width, or our height? Okay, you guys can have your microphones on right now so I can hear you talking. So a couple people are saying the length is 3. So our length is 3. Okay, what is our width and what is our height? How tall is our shape? Do you guys count those? How tall are they? Let's see what you guys are saying. Everyone's saying 3. Okay, so our length is 3 and our height is 3. What is our width? So going back this way, how many boxes are right there? 2. It's only 2. So not all of them are 3. So we have our length, our width, and our height. Does anyone remember what we need to do now with all of these numbers? Raiden got it. He said times. Isabel, multiply. Yes. So we're going to multiply all 3 of these numbers together. So what is 3 times 2? Someone turn on your microphone and tell me what is 3 times 2?
6.
6. So 3 times 2 is 6. So now we need to multiply that by 3. What is 6 times 3? Anyone turn on your microphone? What is 6 times 3?
18.
18. So our volume is 18, and I'm just going to do UN for units. 18 units cubed. So then I'd hit done. I'd scroll down to number 2, because right here it says number 2, and that's where I'm going to type in my answer. So 18 units raised to that third power, or you can put 18 cubic units. So we're going to go through 2 more of these together, and then you guys are free to go on and do the rest on your own. Make sure you are trying to show your work and then answering the problem in the next box. So start taking a look at problem B. What is our length and our width and our height here? Okay, I see some 4s and some 2s. You guys are saying the length is 2, the width is 2, and the height is 4. Does everyone agree with that? Did you guys lose access to my screen? Hang on. Okay, can you guys see it now? Hang on. Okay, can you guys see the volume questions again now? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Can you still see those volume questions? No. Okay, give me a second to figure this out. I have not used this program before, so I got to figure out what's going on. Okay, so now you can see my screen, what it looks like with the live stream, correct? If you don't want your screen to be turned on, you can turn it off. There's a button in the bottom middle, this little camera. You can just turn your screen off so no one can see you. Okay, now you guys can see this. Okay, can you see the volume questions now? Will someone turn on their mic and answer if you can see my volume screen again?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So that I don't have to go back and forth between screens to look at the chat, if I ask a question, will you guys just try to turn on your mic really quick and respond to it? It's actually not too bad, so if you guys want to leave your mics on, you can. Okay, so we were on the length, the width, and the height for for letter B. Does everyone agree that the length, the width, and the height are 2, 2, and 4 for this one right here?
Yes.
I heard
Yes.
1 yes, 2 yeses. Okay. let's look at this. So our front, we have our 2 boxes here. Our side, we have 1, 2, 3 boxes. And then up, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So do you still agree with these answers?
No.
No. So we have our length, we have our height, so our width is going to be, let's see, it's going to be, I'm just going to cross this out, it's going to be 3. So now, what do we need to do here?
Multiply.
We need to multiply. So we're multiplying all 3 of our numbers together to get our volume. So what is 2 times 3?
6.
So these ones 6, and we're going to have 6 multiplied by 4. What is 6 multiplied by 4?
24.
24. So I'm going to click done. I showed all of my work in this box, so now I'm going to scroll down and type in my answer for problem B. So 24 units cube, or remember you can write it either way, 24 cubic units. Okay, we're going to do one more and then I'll assign you the homework so you can work on it. What is the length, the width, and the height of problem C?
Four, and 2.
So let's see, we have our length, our width, and our height. What is our length? What is our length? How many units are going across here?
4.
4. Okay, what is our width?
4.
And what is our height?
2.
2. And what do we need to do now?
Multiply.
Multiply. So what is 4 times 4?
16.
And 16 times 2?
32.
So we get 32. So again, there's our answer. I showed all my work there. Now I just need to type my answer in. So 32, I cannot type right now. 32 units cubed, or again, you can write 32 cubic units. Okay, as of right now, how are you all feeling about volume?
Good.
Okay, so for D, E, and F, you are just multiplying all 3 of the numbers together since it gives you the numbers. G, H, and I, you're also doing the same thing. It gives you the length, the width, and the height. So remember, you're multiplying all 3 of those numbers together, showing your work in the first box, and then in the second box, you are typing in your answer. And please be sure to include all of your units in there so we know what our units are. And then the last one is a story problem. So you're going to pull out all of the numbers and then use the ones that you need to multiply together. Are there any questions for me right now?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, so I will go ahead and get off and then I will assign the homework for you. It's not on there yet, but give me a couple minutes and it should be up there quickly, okay?
Okay.
Thank you all for getting on.